How to redeem an eBay gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can redeem your eBay gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to redeem your eBay gift card, you just need to go ahead and then open up your browser. You can also do this process from your mobile app if you're using from mobile, or else if you're on browser, just go to ebay.com and then make sure that you are signed into your account. And after you are signed in, obviously you will see this kind of interface, and you have to tap and find the products that you want to shop. So in this case I'll just select this watch or this anything, for example, and what I will do is I'll just add this to my cart. So once I've added this to my cart right over here, I'll view this in the cart section, or else I can also tap on the little cart icon or the shopping bag icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Now once you tap on the shopping bag icon over here, you have to confirm the changes that you want and go to the checkout process. Once you go to the checkout process, you'll be taken to the payment information page, and under the payment information page you'll find gift card, coupons and eBay bucks, and this is exactly where we want to enter our gift card and then redeem it in that way. So this is the only option to redeem our gift card, because as in other social media apps and so on, you have the redeem page by default, but on eBay you have to actually shop some products, and then during the payment section you have to choose your gift card as a payment option, and then here you have to simply enter your gift card or your coupon code and then tap on the apply button. Once you do that, depending upon the value of your gift card, the balances are going to be applied and shopped for this specific product. And that's all it takes to redeem an eBay gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.